And for the first time in history, this is so scary to say, the human brain has slowed down. Try writing without AI. Try writing without it. We wanted AI to think like us because writing is thinking, right? Writing, it literally means like exporting something out of your brain. It's like trying to go to the gym and having someone else lift the weights for you. It's like, it doesn't work that way.
We could be losing ourselves in a sense.
Where it might be the other way around, where the businesses have outgrown the founder to the point where our brains can't keep up with the growth. Dude, we have proof that the brain has slowed down. Don't let it slow down further. The expert still needs the expert. Virality can be good, but virality most of the time is just bad because it attracts a lot of eyeballs and it attracts a lot of the wrong eyeballs. So you really want to target networks, not individuals. That's where you're going to find more individuals.
Everything you teach comes back to one thing: is be human, be you.
Continue caring, despite how much we continue to evolve in this AI world. Just continue caring, guys. It's the one thing they can't take away from us. So let's not let them.